Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market alert for Thursday, February 17th. We're set for a relatively flat open on Wall Street as investors digest the latest readings on consumer prices and weekly jobless claims. Later this morning, the Philadelphia Fed will release its survey of business conditions in the area. The market is coming off solid gains yesterday, boosted by the minutes of the latest Federal Reserve policy meeting. Fed officials lifted their forecast for U.S. economic growth for all of this year to a range of 3.4 to 3.9%. The previous estimate had been for 3 to 3.6% growth.
The fourth quarter earnings season is coming to a close, but there are still a few companies releasing their results. After Wednesday's closing bell, CBS said that its profit more than quadrupled from the same period last year, topping expectations. The media giant benefited from an industry-wide rebound in advertising sales. But CBS shares may open a bit lower following a 2% gain yesterday. One stock set to open higher today is Barrick Gold, rising 2% in the pre-market. Its fourth quarter net income more than quadrupled on a 25% increase in revenue. During the quarter, gold prices jumped by more than $100 an ounce. They're rising again today as continued unrest in the Middle East adds to gold's perceived safe haven appeal.
Technology stocks are likely to be in focus today, with one of the biggest names in the industry set for a lower open. Apple is dropping more than 1% in the pre-market after reports that CEO Steve Jobs was seen at a cancer center in Florida. Jobs has been on medical leave from the company since January. Chipmaker Nvidia is also posting losses this morning, despite a largely positive earnings report. Nvidia's net income rose 31%, helped by a legal settlement with rival Intel, and the company posted a better than expected sales outlook for the current quarter. But revenue for the current quarter slipped a bit, and Citigroup cut the stock from buy to hold. Another big technology loser today is NetApp. It posted solid results on strong sales of its data storage products and services, but its earnings forecast for the current quarter was on the low side of analyst forecasts, pushing the stock down more than 7% ahead of the bell.
Analyst actions may move a few other technology stocks today. Colin Stewart instituted coverage on several of them, including buy ratings on Microsoft, BMC Software, and Symantec, and holds on Oracle, Red Hat, and CA. Meanwhile, Origa USA boosted its stock price target on Juniper Networks, while lowering its target on Cisco Systems. We're also keeping an eye on shares of Dr. Pepper Snapple today, after it posted fourth quarter profit that topped expectations. Right now it's gaining more than 3%. And after today's closing bell, we'll hear from software maker Intuit and department store chain Nordstrom. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the economic data and market reaction.